Hi there, this is a quick demo how to do custom actions in Workato if, let's say, you're using this blob storage action and there are a few things maybe missing that you want to do. For example, there is no delete action by default in Workato. What you can use is this custom action. So let's just quickly demo what you need to do. So add a new step and select your blob storage container or blob storage connector. Go here and scroll all the way down to custom action, call it delete blob, and then use this very useful startup guide. Select the method. So in this case, because we're going to delete something, we're going to use delete. And then how do we find the correct path? We go to documentation and you see they exemplify this by doing it like this: my container name and then blob name. And then this is your connector's path name that you already created inside the connector itself. So if you copy this, you see that this one already exists. Paste it over and then replace the my container with your container. In my case is blob test. And then this one with the file that you want to delete. So I want to delete this file, for example. There you go. And do the next. So make sure when you test this, it's a file you can afford to delete because it will actually test delete this and generate all the schema necessary for this action. Test request. You see that is a successful request. We deleted that file, apply configuration. And now you see you have a new action that's called delete blob, delete. It goes to this path. It doesn't have any input and it has some headers that it got returned back. And that's how you do custom action. So now if you want to move it to another recipe, you can just copy this custom action, move to another recipe. If you want to avoid this hard-coded path, let's say, for example, you have a file name that is coming from somewhere else, right? You can just replace it with another file name. And that's how you do custom actions.